Hi guys, it's Tiyasha. Welcome to my channel World of Passion. In today's video, I am showing you how to make DIY bookmarkers. So, without any delay, let's start the video. At first, you need some thick papers. Cut the papers on your required size and shape. Here I am using tags which we get with cloths and dresses. Then take a tag. Use Fevicol and glue it with newspaper. Cut down it with required shape. Then go with a permanent marker or a sketch pen, which is easily available on local stationery shop. Make a pattern as shown in the video. And the second one is apply a coat of gesso. Then apply white acrylic color. Then I go with yellow, green, magenta, sky blue, orange acrylic color. Make any type of pattern. Here I am taking a permanent marker and make some leaf pattern. You can go with your own preferable choice. The third one, take black acrylic color. Then I take dot art tools and make some dot design. Similarly, I am making this bookmarker also. Then the fourth one, here I am using decoupage napkin. Remove the two layers of the napkin paper. Then stick the top layer with Morpose glue. Simply write down a quote. And the last one, stick a white paper on the tags because avoid the smooth surface. Then I go with yellow, sky blue, pink, deep blue, red and green oil pastel color. Then painted the tag with black acrylic color as shown in the video. Now I am using a point object and make some mandala design. You can also choose your own design pattern. Then take a dry brush and clean it. Lastly, don't forget to apply varnish to make the bookmarks waterproof and long-lasting. Then use a paper puncher, make a hole on the bookmarks, then attach a ribbon or a tassels. That's it, your bookmark is ready. And the final look is Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoying the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future updates.